Guys, it's BJX. Let's see, we're here at Texas with the Texas 500. It's literally called that. I'm not kidding. So yeah, we are here. That'd be 4 laps here at Texas. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go racing here, boys, at Texas. Oh, cars go on the inside. What a move! The number 9 of Chase Elliott. Myers did the best move of the day. And we have, cars get flung. That won't count. Chase Elliott's now in the lead. You know I don't count flung cars. It'll be 3 to go. 3 to go, here goes. One more race until the championship, by the way, guys. Oh, Ryan Newman on the inside. Ryan Newman! Oh, Cody Ware! 2 to go at the line. 2 to go. Ryan Newman loses the lead to Chase Elliott. What's this battle OP for last? Oh. We have Eric Jones coming on the side with Ryan Newman and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Eric Jones, your pole winner sitter, is on leading us. It's 2 to go. What did I say? 2 to go? Okay. 1 to go here at Texas. Who's going to win? Oh, Ryan Newman on the inside. We have a fight for almost last up here. Oh, Chase Elliott in the lead. No, now it's Ryan Newman. Ryan Newman wins at Texas and locks himself into the chase. Ryan Newman won a race earlier this season, so I think he's locked into the chase. We have a car in pit road currently right now. It's the 32 of Corey LaJoy currently in pit road. He'll get over it, but there you go. Who would have won the pole if we did another one? Okay. So yeah, who won? Ryan Newman wins the Texas 500. Bye, guys.